Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen switch expression. Now we will add little more scenario how you can use switch expression. Okay. Suppose if you want to combine the two cases. Okay. So what you can do, you can just give case A is given here and case B is given here. Okay. So I want these two cases should give same result. In switch case, how do? We write something like without this one will be having case B here. Okay, so case A and case B will give you the same result. Okay, something like this. Okay, but here how will we give? Just give comma and give B. Okay, we already have B, that's why we need to change this to B. Okay, and you can give this as C. Okay, now A and B is going to yield 10. Okay, it's going to print 10. Okay, so two different cases is going to give same result. Okay, shall we test this? Okay, so let me just going to give B itself. Okay, I'm running this. We'll be getting 10 and my choice as 10. Okay, right now we're going to see how we can use this for pattern matching. Okay, it's a very important concept. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete everything here. Okay, so before this class I'm going to have one interface. Okay, let the interface be interface printer. Okay, so let it have a method print. Now I'm going to create class inkjet printer. Okay, implements printer. Okay, so this has to implement the method. Okay, print method. So I'm just going to give so printed in inkjet printer. Okay, same way I'm going to give, I just copy this and I'm going to paste it. So instead of inkjet printer I'm going to give dot matrix printer. Okay, dot matrix printer. Fine, so I have to change this one here. Okay, it's good. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to write one if statement. Okay, right, so first let me just create printer. Okay, printer equal to new dot matrix printer. Okay, let it be. So if I give printer dot print, right, so this will be giving you dot matrix printed in dot matrix printer, right, as mentioned here. Now we are going to use some if statement. Okay, so what's a if statement? If printer, okay, is a instance of printer. Okay, so you can give that as give directly here. So printer is already used, so you can give a printer one. Okay, so I can call printer dot print. Okay, else, okay, else if printer it's an instance of, yeah, so here you can use dot matrix printer. Okay, let me give it as a dot matrix printer. The same way printer instance of inkjet printer. Okay, inkjet printer So here let me just paste it here and copy this and just pasting it here dot print. Okay, so now this printer reference is pointing to the subclass dot matrix printer, so this is going to print the value from dot matrix method. Okay, dot matrix print method. Let us see. Okay, so let me just check what this line is printing. I am commenting this, I am running this, so you will be getting printed in dot matrix. Okay, now I am going to comment this line. Okay, and I'm going to uncomment this line. So what this one says, so I'm checking whether this printer is an instance of dot matrix. Okay, so this is a reference. Okay, you can directly give it here. Okay, just I'm running this, so because it's a dot matrix printer, you're getting the same. Okay, so in case the next line I'm giving printer equal to new inkjet printer. Okay, right now this printer is pointing to inkjet printer. Okay, if I run this, this if condition will get fail and this else if condition will get pass. Okay, right. So now you see you're getting printed in inkjet printer. Okay, so obviously if we can give else, right? So if you want to print else, you can give like this uh, no printer found. That's it. Okay, fine. Now how can we use this concept, okay, in switch expression? Okay, I'm just going to comment this. Okay, now I'm going to use switch. Okay, switch, I'm going to give printer. Okay, open close, and so case dot matrix printer. Okay, dot matrix printer, dot matrix printer, keep arrow as I said. Okay, just give dot matrix printer dot print. Okay, the same way you're going to use case inkjet printer arrow, I'm sorry, yeah, arrow inkjet printer dot print. Okay, what about default? Just say in default you can write like throw, okay, new illegal argument exception. Okay, so you can give illegal argument exception, so no such printer. Okay, this is fine. So we have done all these things, right? Now you see, compare this if statement and that one. So see, the syntax is actually reduced. So instead of this line, we directly use case, okay, and give a reference. Okay, if the printer type is dot matrix, right, this case will get executed. If printer type is inkjet, this case will be executed. So right now our printer is actually pointing to inkjet printer, right? So now what will happen? If this line will get printed. Okay, so I'm just running this code, and you see printer in inkjet printer. Got it, right? So this is how you can use the switch expression for pattern matching. Okay, so but make sure that when you give case, okay, it has to uh, give all possible statement. Okay, you see, if in case if I give this one, right, immediately is giving an error. What is that? It says what does not cover all possible input value. What is the all possible input value? So it has to deal with all the cases. Okay, right, this case deals with dot matrix, this case deals with inkjet printer. Okay, right, if both is not matching, then it has to deal with default. That's why it says all possible values. Okay, even if you skip the one, right? So it will be like, if this is not matching, then it will take default. Okay, so which means the default is very important. Okay, when you comment the default, you are getting an error, because there is a chance that you may get anything apart from the printer, right? So that's why you need to use default. Okay, so see how the case is. So I'm deleting this now. My case statement is very less, and you see my program looks neat and clean. So that's the end of switch expression. Hope you enjoyed. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you all.